This is Shivalsa speaking. Children, we have been dealing with exercise 10.3, which is already over with that. We are over with the concept of exercise 10.3. And here in this video of exercise 10.4, we will discuss about some different questions on the construction of triangles using some various measures and some various processes will be shown over here in this particular video. So the first question of exercise 10.4 is about construct a triangle ABC given measure of angle A is 60 degree. We will be drawing to construct a triangle ABC in which the measure of angle A is 60 degree, measure of angle B is 30 degree, and the measure of a line segment 5.8. Measure of line segment AB is 5.8 centimeter. So children, we are going to construct a triangle ABC. Measure of angle A should be 60 degree, that we can construct using compasses only. Measure of angle B will also be constructed using compasses only without use of help of protractor, and a line segment AB measuring 5.8 centimeter. So children, what is the process to do? Let us learn it. Let us know how to do this. First, we will draw a line segment. First, we are going to draw a line segment of any measure. Try to take bigger than 5.8. Try to take bigger than 5.8. Now, we will measure AB using compasses. So this is the measure of AB, 5.8. So I'll place here and I'll draw one arc. Name of this line segment is AB. I have just copied AB. The measure of AB is 5.8 and I've just copied over here on this particular line segment named AB. Now, the measure of angle A is 60 degree, as it's asked in the question to draw 60 degree on vertex A. So what we will do, children? We will take our compasses. We'll place at A and we will draw one arc. With the same measure, we'll not change it. We'll place at this point. Look at the video carefully, children. At this point, and we will draw one more arc. So this is going to be 60 degree. Now we will join them. 60 degree is constructed. Now from point B, we have to draw 30 degree. So children, there is no direct process of drawing 30 degree, or we have got, but we will construct it using bisection of 60 degree. We will draw 60, then we will bisect 60 degree in order to bring 30 degree over here. So children, what I am doing over here, so I'm going to construct 60 degree first. We will draw 60 degree first. We give one arc. With the same measure, I'll place here and I'll draw one arc. Now, as this is 60 degree, so I'll just join with dotted lines. Because I don't need 60. I need 30 degree. So now we are going to bisect this 60 degree angle in order to bring 30 degree. So what we will do, children? We will take our compasses with any measure. We'll place here, we'll give one arc over here. With the very same measure, I'll place over here and I'll draw one arc. And I'll make it join. And I will make it join. This is a measure of angle B, which is 30 degree. And I'll extend it in order to intersect this line segment. So name of this intersecting point of these two line segments is C. Construction of triangle ABC is done. AB was measuring 5.8 centimeter. I believe it's clear to everyone. If there is any doubts or confusions, please feel free to speak to me in this regard. Drop your queries in the comment section as well as in WhatsApp group. Your doubts will be cleared up. Till then, thank you so much, children. Thank you.